Hey everyone! Today from Ahmed, and I just wanted to show you all this group is called Trash Heroes, and they're going around the beaches and also the streets and picking up all the trash. It's all local kids. Local kids. As you can see, they have big sacks with the trash. And they're doing it every single week. Previously it was on a regular basis. Then we had a break because of the pandemic. Now they are back on the beaches and streets again. If you are going to ask me what's new in Ahmed, nothing really, absolutely nothing really been happening. As always, I say the biggest problem of any human is our brain. We creating illusions, we thinking too much. We start creating problems where there doesn't exist, and nothing you can do with that, just because simply what else? Brain have to be busy all the time, and that's what it's doing. Since there is nothing been happening in the dive center for already a week, then of course my brain is active again. And my brain came up with a really unique thing. It's like I was surprised. And it said to me, it's a time to start studying all the world crises, because whatever happened at once, it will repeat again. And that, I think, what had just happened. If we are not going through it yet, then definitely we will go through it in the next few years. We had the crisis for 1 year and now it's over. Definitely no, we're gonna have something way bigger. And when I'm looking around, the people who've been working hard, they are really poor at the moment, and the people who do nothing, just creating some TikTok videos, they are accidentally really rich. And that makes me think about the future. What's in the future? I think that our future, I mean the diving instructors and dive centers, will never be the same. It's not the cheapest hobby in the world. I think that at the moment big group of these people are actually affected, so there's definitely no job for all these people who've been working in diving industry previously. On one side, the people who still in it and not going to give up, that's giving some new opportunities definitely, but otherwise I think it's a time to think about something new, and that's what I'm thinking about all this more than a year. I'm trying to create something which would make me unique. I'm sure when I will come up with that, there will be a lot of people who will start copying me. Nothing wrong about that. I'm just happy. But it's the same thing as for example, in swimming. The hardest is the first 1 hour and the last 3 hours. I think that's the hardest part actually, because whatever happens in the middle, it's like in the beginning you become excited how long I can do it, and just focusing on the pace and focusing on the stroke, while later on when it comes to the end, then you start like thinking why I'm doing it. You're already kind of to give up. But yeah, the winner is the one who's not giving up. And that's pretty much the same feeling what I have at the moment. In the beginning of the pandemics, there was like a hard times. We were in doubt, are we able to do this one? Since we had no chance, then we were actually forced to do it. Now when it comes to and we actually don't know, is it the end or it's just a new beginning of something, but it's again becomes really hard. Same thing also about my episodes. Now it's about 260 episodes and it's really hard, and I'm always thinking about what to tell you about. So that's why we started to go a little bit somewhere out, just to give you another thing. And that actually makes me think about that maybe it's a good idea to make some schedule for a week for my episodes. Let's say, for example, every Saturday I'm posting something about some challenges. Let's take all the diving organizations or even Sea Seals and take some skills from there and try to do it myself. So just to understand I can do it or cannot. Maybe another day I can do any React videos about some diving videos and comment maybe. I think I can be pretty good on it. I've been trying to do it, not on a camera, but just commenting something. But so yeah, but at least it would give me some really understanding what I have to prepare every single day. Thought it was also a really good idea to go somewhere out. Maybe once a week we can go somewhere, some new places, and show them to you, so you have some idea about other places in Bali, not only about Amed. Great, you know every single corner in Amed, but yeah, so just simply because it's really hard for me to show something extraordinary anymore. I think as closer we will get to the end of this everyday vlog, as more there will be this talking head. I'm a kind of the person who it's really hard for me to talk about the same thing twice, and now I'm feeling that I start repeating. I'm start showing you the same things, same places. Maybe it's good because you can see them during the different seasons, but yeah, so that's definitely something I don't like, but it's actually I'm kind of forced to do it just because nothing really left around here. The place is too small for such a long vlog. All right, thank you very much for watching today again. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.
Here it goes, oh, here it goes.